I'm Don Dressler, Mountain Resort Program Manager for the United States Forest Service. The relationship between the ski areas and the Forest Service is an intricate and important relationship that really focuses on delivering recreation experiences to the public. Nationally, we have 122 ski areas that operate on National Forest System lands. And here in Colorado, we have 22 ski areas on national forests. Over 57.5 million skier visits are recorded annually. 60% of those actually occur on national forest lands. Ski areas that operate on National Forest System lands operate under a special use permit issued by the Forest Service and administered locally. These permits typically range in terms up to 40 years. They also include all of the mountain improvements that you experience while you're here at the resort. That includes the restaurants, lifts, snowmaking, ski patrol facilities, all of the things that you see that go into creating the experience that you're enjoying today.